Hello everyone. Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to know if someone unadded or deleted you on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. I'll give you 2 solid methods to know if you're still friends with a certain user or if they've deleted or removed you as a friend. And I have my Snapchat app open here. So I'll swipe right here and then right again to bring up the chat page over here. Simply just tap on the user's profile picture. If you see a number under their profile picture, it means you're currently friends with them. This number is your snap score. It is the combined number of snaps they've sent and received. When you see a number under their profile picture, it simply means you're currently friends with them and they're following you. They have not yet deleted you. Now when I go back and search for a random name and press on her profile, it doesn't show me the score, it just shows add friend. If you're in their profile and it doesn't show you that number or the score on it, or if it just says add friend, they've deleted or unadded you from Snapchat. So this is a reliable method of finding out whether you're still friends or not. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.